Hey everybody. Today I have this F-150 Ford that has got rear disc brakes in the rear, and they had calipers and brakes and rotors and everything done up in New Jersey, and they're down here for the holidays. So they brought it in because they said they had a leak. So we come over to this side and see how wet everything is, and it's definitely brake fluid. It's not an axle seal. So there's something leaking right here. There's a drip right there. See it running down my finger right there? So we're gonna look at it, and I do believe this is a very rookie mistake. This here is called a banjo bolt, and how it's supposed to be, there's supposed to be a bolt, a washer, then the hose, then another washer, and then the caliper. I do believe they forgot to put the washer between the hose and the caliper, and it's leaking. And we're going to get it apart, fix it, clean it up real good, and make sure everything's good, and re-bleed the system, and it should take care of this one. So that's a kind of a rookie mistake. So remember, when you're doing these, it's a bolt, a copper washer, the hose, another copper washer, and the caliper. Okay, bonus footage. So originally I thought that they didn't put the copper O-ring in, but they did. So I decided to take it apart to replace this copper O-ring, because I can't really tell if they replaced it or not, because sometimes if you don't replace these things will, the old ones will leak. But what they did is, here's the brake hose here. See that scratch? They used a screwdriver to pry the old gasket off, and when they pried the old gasket off, they scratched the hose, and the fluid will find a way out no matter what. That's why it's got these round rings going this way that crush the washer to seal it. But since they scratched the hose, they've ruined the hose. That is why it is leaking so bad. So there's the other side of where the copper washer is. So there's a little bonus footage for you. They did put it together right, but they screwed up because they used a screwdriver and pried that hose off and scratched it. So we're gonna have to get a new brake hose for this thing. All right, everybody, we'll talk to y'all later.